Hello friend, in this video I am going to talk about the potting mix for adenium plant. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can watch every videos. Adenium plant are desert plant and they love dryness in soil. All the plants are growing very nicely here. All the plants are producing very beautiful flowers. Following some very important tips, you can make your adenium very happy. As adenium plant need dryness in the soil, so the mixture must have more part of sand. Sand also allow them to spread roots so easily. Now I will talk about the role of coco peat. Adenium require less water, so the soil mixture contain most part of sand, so the water does not stay in the soil and is drained out. At this time, coco peat work great and hold the water in the soil and allow adenium roots to absorb the water from the soil. We are using rice husk also. It helps to prepare well draining potting mix. Garden soil is very important as the nutrient is present for the development of the plant. We can use 40% garden soil, 25% sand, 20% coco peat and 15% rice husk. Well drainage system is very important. If the water stay for longer time, then the water will damage the root system and may lead the plant die. You can visit our channel to watch the important video on the caring tips of adenium plant. I hope you find this video useful. If you are new in this channel, you can subscribe to this channel clicking the subscribe button to never miss any video.